Jesus Ramirez, and I am part of the technical staff of Ocean Engineering. Today, I am going to show you briefly how to create a UDF for temperature-dependent properties. So you can see here in the screen that I already have the UDF built. So let me explain you how to do it. Remember that for UDF, we should have the UDF.h class already loaded, right? And we will use this macro, right? The define property macro for defining the temperature dependent properties. In this case, I want to, the final output that I want is the thermal conductivity. So if you look, that's the one I am going to create, right? And it's a cell by cell calculation, right? So we need to call the temperature of each of the cells inside our mesh. So we do it that with this, and we define the variable, right? But we are also going to define the thermal conductivity, the specific heat, the density, and thermal diffusion, right? And this is different examples on how you can calculate thermal properties, right? So initially for the specific heat, and this is just for explanation purposes and for demo purposes, I am using an if conditional with else. So for different temperatures, you can you can see that the specific heat reach different values, right? So it will depend on the temperature. You will have different specific heats. There's something similar for density, right? That it will depend on the temperature. Also for the thermal diffusivity, and at the end, we depending on the temperature value of the cell. So these properties will get some of the values, and at the end, what we can do is a calculation, a multiplication to calculate the thermal coefficient, the thermal conductivity, right? So basically at the end, we return the value that we need, and that's it. Basically, this is the way you build the UDF, or this is an example that may help you to build the UDF, right? So remember that you don't need to define dimensions, units, right, for each of these properties because they are already defined inside Fluent is the way that UDF works. Okay, thank you so much. And as always, if you have any question, just let us know. You can contact us in the comment side or you can visit our website. Thank you so much. Bye bye.